Welcome to Zhongshan Weihan Plastic Technology Company Limited, your trusted partner for high-quality plastic packaging solutions since our founding in 2019. We've grown into a manufacturer with two modern factories spanning over 11,400 square meters. Strategically located in China's coastal region near the Shenzhen port, we ensure fast, cost-effective logistics to customers worldwide. We specialize in end-to-end plastic packaging solutions, combining raw R&D production and sales to deliver cost-annual designs and rapid prototyping tailored to your exact requirements. For the food industry, we offer an extensive range of disposable eco-friendly packaging, including lunchboxes, self-feeding containers, fresh trays, and specialty packaging for sushi, fruits, and vegetables, all designed to meet the highest food safety and sustainability standards. Beyond food packaging, our high-performance polymer materials serve industries like electronics, hardware, medical devices, toys, and cosmetics, providing durable, precision-engineered solutions for diverse applications. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. As an ISO 9001 certified manufacturer, we operate 12 advanced production lines in a meticulously controlled clean room environment. Backed by a skilled technical team, we excel in both OEM and ODM projects, delivering consistent quality with a daily production capacity exceeding 100,000 pieces. Today, our products reach over 40 countries, supported by a network of more than 5,000 long-term partners globally. We take pride in offering competitive pricing without compromising on quality, providing seamless service from initial design to final production. Let's build the future of packaging together. Contact Zhongshan Weihan Plastic Technology today, and let's discuss how we can meet your unique needs.